Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am excited to be doing this video today for one because I am outside in nature and it is a very windy day, so we will see how this works. So I'm going to do a wig review today, just showing you this one. This is the third Wig wig. And I have been wearing it for the last week. I love it now that I have put some more color into this. It is so cute and I love it with this hat, y'all. I am into hats lately and this one works very well with this wig. Fits perfect, not too tight, goes over the crown of the wig here, and it is just wonderful. So I am going to get this wig and we will start the review. Okay, I am back. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to do this out here because it is really windy. When the gusts of wind pick up, it's really windy. So this is the newest piece that I got from Ebony Line. This is a Outre wig. It is called OnVybes 15. 20-inch wig, and it is in the color Creamy Toffee, and I am excited to try this because I have gotten other Creamy Toffee colors and I love them. So let me tell you a little bit about this. This is a 13x6 lace frontal, so that means it's a free parting wig space, 13 inches by 6 that way. It is high heat resistant up to 400 degrees, and it has HD transparent lace. All of that is mentioned here on the card. Fully hand tied lace frontal. It does have baby hairs. It comes with a pre-elastic band here in the wig. It is removable, so that's good. It's right here. And then here is the lace front. I am going to actually go back to the car and put this on and do the review from there, and then maybe take some pictures out here afterwards. So y'all, I'm back, and this one is stunning. Oh my word. It is pretty much the perfect length. This is amazing, and because it's so windy, this has now blown like everywhere. So this frontal moves wonderfully. I might have to do this review in a couple of segments. I did bring some scissors with me, and I can't find them now. I put them in the bag that the wig piece was in, and now I can't find it. Oh my gosh. So I did keep the wig band in. It is thinner, and it seems to work okay. It doesn't seem like it's too bulky. This front is wonderful. Look at these baby hairs. They are so sparse. And like I said, this is free parting, so you can part this any direction that you want. Because this lace is so transparent, you want to be very mindful of what kind of wig grip you're wearing. I have just a silicone wig grip on, and there's times that you can see the demarcation, like right there where my bio hair is. So I might put a darker one on that would blend more in with these darker roots. But this wig is stunning. Like, I knew it would be. I just knew it would be. It's pretty much a great length for me. I might trim it up just a little bit. I really don't like those ones that are like 26 inches. Like, I would never wear that. But this is stunning. I don't feel it is getting too tangly. The fibers feel very nice and very natural. Yeah, this is beautiful. Okay, I found my scissors, y'all. This is actually a great day to do a wig review because I'm outside, it is windy, and this one is blowing everywhere, and she is working out just wonderfully. So I am going to attempt to cut this lace. And I'm not gonna like go way up here because I still can't really see what I'm doing. And I'll probably have to finish this in a good mirror at home or when the wig is off. But y'all, I paid like, I want to say $60 for this with shipping. And you got to watch out for that because as you get down by the ear tabs, you will, you might cut away some of the hair. And I'm trying to preserve as much of the baby hair as I can on this. But I just want to get some of this lace taken off so I can kind of show you. There we go. And again, I don't know what this looks like. I can't see a whole lot in the camera here. But all I can say is see all those baby hairs right now. This is one of the best looking lace frontals I have seen in a long time. Like this one, you don't, I mean, as far as, and I have my hat band here that you can see my demarcation where my hat was. But this is a lace frontal that this is how they should be. Like, when they say lace frontals and baby hairs and pre-plucked, yeah, they are pre-plucked compared to really bad wigs. But this is how the pre-plucking should be. Like, it should be very thin here and gradually gets thicker going back. This one you can truly pull away from your face. As long as you had a wig grip that blended in or didn't wear one at all. And this lace is so beautiful that gluing this down would be wonderful. Like, she would look beautiful. I'm telling you what, you guys, I'm getting another one of these. Like, I can already tell already that I don't want to be without this wig piece. This is stunning. This is one that I would wear to a wedding or a special event. It would look cute with a baseball hat at like a concert or something. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, that's cute. Sometimes with these wigs, they just get so bulky here on the side. So you might have to maybe thin that just a little bit if you're going to wear them with a baseball hat, in my opinion. And maybe as you wear it, it'll like just start flattening a little bit. But that is cute. That is cute. Oh my gosh. I love this. You guys, I am getting this again. For sure. Like, I knew this was going to be a blonde that I could wear for sure. How long was she? 20 inches. Might be a little long. Like, I might have to cut this just a little bit here. And this frontal moves so nice that I don't even know if I want to cut in bangs to this. Like, I honestly don't. Like, I love how this just flips and it's like so natural feeling. Oh my gosh. So let me go take this outside and I'll show you what she looks like from all sides. Okay, I'm back outside. Let me show you what she looks like from all sides. Wow, y'all, she is a winner. You look at this hair, you guys. Look at this hair. I can't even believe it. Like, this is so stunning. Like, I love this piece. I am definitely getting another one. I will link the, I'll put the link below in the description box. But like I said, I think I paid like around $60 with shipping. I think with Ebony line, anything over like 30 or 35 or something is $4.99 shipping. And, yeah, you guys, like, Ebony line is one of my favorite websites of all time to get wigs from. So hopefully this information was helpful for you. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out this beautiful piece from Ebony line. And wow, I am truly amazed. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello, I'm back again. I am just walking down a little trail, enjoying the day, enjoying this beautiful wig piece. I'm telling you, you would get the looks if you were wearing this piece, for sure. Absolutely beautiful. This is the perfect color, the perfect denier. Oh my gosh, so stunning. I love it, you guys.